Today, guys, we are going to be doing another stirred down drink called the Turf Club. So let's just get into it. First thing we are gonna need is 60 mils of a gin, 20 mil of a dry vermouth, 8 mil of a maraschino liqueur, 2 dashes of absinthe, and then 2 dashes of orange bitters. We're gonna give that a good stir, whip out our Nick and Nora, and we'll garnish it off with a lemon twist. And that's all it is, guys. Fairly simple, very, as you can see, like very similar to one we've already done called the Tuxedo no. 2. The only difference really is we swapped out the sweet white vermouth for a dry white vermouth. We also added, we used absinthe as a dash instead of a rinse, which honestly you can do either, it doesn't really matter. Like the amount of absinthe you're putting into it, it's pretty much the same. So you can pick whatever one you want. As far as the cocktail itself goes, this guy, Turf Club, goes back to the 1800s. First printed in 1884 in George Winter's cocktail book, How to Mix Drinks. Originally it did use an Old Tom gin, sweet vermouth, and bitters, which is pretty close to a Martinez. Harry Johnson actually printed a cocktail called Turf in his second edition of the Bartender's Manual, which is very close to the specs that we use today. It's good, it's crisp. Like comparing it to the Tuxedo no. 2 that we did before, this is obviously a lot drier. We're using a dry vermouth, but I kind of like that. It makes it a little bit more crisp to me. We're getting obviously a nice citrus in there from that lemon just being there. The gin that I used, a little bit of citrus in there, juniper forward. It's enjoyable. The maraschino, it plays a little bit, it's a little bit there. I wouldn't say it's like a main player, but if you took it out, you would definitely notice. Okay, absinthe, definitely there. I love absinthe. Honestly, like I would add more. Between this one and the Tuxedo no. 2, I would definitely go with this one. It's a little drier, probably, which is just kind of my route. I prefer to go drier, I think. But overall, good cocktail. Definitely give this one a go. Turf Club is banging. As long as you love absinthe. If you love absinthe, go for it. If you don't, still go for it. Just use a little bit less absinthe, maybe. That's all that I have for you today, guys. Quick and simple, as always. You like what I do on this channel, if you like the videos that I'm making, let me know. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be putting out more every single week. If you have cocktails that you think I should do on this channel, let me know. I'll put them into my lineup and we'll try and get them out, all right? But until next time, guys, cheers, keep stirring.